Excelsior College Bachelor of Science in Information Technology Capstone course. A college degree is widely perceived as a necessity in the workplace today. The job market is demanding and competitive, and employers are seeking highly qualified candidates. Unfortunately, today's higher education institutions do not seem to adequately prepare their graduates for the workforce. According to a recent survey conducted by Hart Research Associates, employers feel that college graduates are not well prepared across key workplace competencies. Only 37% of the 400 surveyed employers think that recent college graduates are capable of staying current on technologies, and only 24% of them think those graduates are ready to analyze and solve complex problems. Graduates expect that upon earning their degree, they will be competitive in the job market. However, only 59% of the 613 surveyed college students think they are prepared to apply knowledge and skills to the real world. A Hanover research study shows that 67% of the 1,000 surveyed college students indicated that colleges should provide them with more professional experience to prepare for the workforce. Only 35% of them think colleges effectively prepare them for a job. The pathway from college to the workplace is broken. College graduates are missing important technical and professional skills, including communication, problem solving, teamwork, real-world experience, and hands-on technical skills. Often, the focus in higher education has been on knowledge recall instead of demonstration of skills, and colleges have not been effective enough at developing important teamwork and communication skills. Students have not been adequately challenged to solve problems in the context of real-world problems. The gap between employers' and graduates' expectations of how colleges should prepare students calls for innovative methods of training and assessing students to equip them with the skills they need to master to meet the needs of the workplace. The Bachelor of Science in Information Technology Competency-Based Capstone course at Excelsior College is prepared to meet the needs of both students and employers. The Competency-Based Capstone course will give students the opportunity to demonstrate the needed skills to ensure that they exit the program prepared for employment in the field. Central to the Capstone course are information technology competency areas and professional skills. Students will be proficient in 8 key IT competency areas. These competencies are derived from industry standards, including the Association for Computing Machinery, as well as occupational information collected by the United States Department of Labor. Key professional skills are also drawn from Department of Labor data, as well as published employer surveys. Students achieving these IT and professional competencies will be highly desired by employers. The Capstone course model includes components outside the course that are designed to provide additional support to students. The pre-course self-assessment exam is a multiple-choice exam composed of questions from all the IT competency areas. Students will receive immediate feedback from the exam to provide them with an overview of their strengths and weaknesses in the IT competency areas. Students may then choose to proceed to the Capstone course directly or elect to enroll in the IT bootcamp to enhance their requisite knowledge in these key areas. The IT bootcamp is an optional, self-paced, non-credit course that students may elect to enroll in for a review of material related to each IT competency area. There are 3 main components of the proposed competency-based Capstone course: Comprehensive Outcome Assessment, Capstone Project, and Project Final Report or ITA portfolio. The purpose of incorporating the 3 components is to provide students with comprehensive opportunities to demonstrate their competencies in all the 8 IT competency areas, as well as their achievements of the 13 BSIT student outcomes. During the Comprehensive Outcome Assessment stage, students will work on assignments to solve real-world problems, such as scenarios, case studies, and simulations, where they will demonstrate achievement of the IT competencies and outcomes. Students will be provided with study materials and practice questions, and will also be required to participate in online discussions with peer students on topics pertaining to the competency areas. The Capstone project is central to the competency-based course model. The project allows students to work in a team-oriented setting on an IT project in which they may apply design, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills in a real-world context. Students receive the guidance and support of an industrial mentor during the project. Through this project and associated reflective journals and discussions, students will learn from their own experience, as well as the experiences of their peers and feedback from their mentors. The Capstone project culminates with a presentation by the students to their classmates and invited guests, including faculty and industrial mentors. The final stage of the Capstone course model is a written paper. In this stage, students will produce either a written project report, a research article for submission to a journal or conference, or an integrated technology assessment portfolio. Through successful completion of each stage of the Capstone course, students will have demonstrated proficiency in the needed knowledge and skills that will benefit them greatly as they move on to a career in the IT field. The competency-based Capstone experience will create a clear pathway for the graduate from college into the workforce. Employers will know that when they hire Excelsior College Bachelor of Science in Information Technology graduates, that they are hiring employees with demonstrated skill not only in technical areas, but also in the needed workplace competencies, including communication, critical thinking, and decision-making. Employers will feel confident that Excelsior College graduates are well prepared to be successful in meeting the demands of the IT field. Graduates will know that they are entering the workforce prepared in both technical and professional competencies to succeed.